So how to fix Facebook Messenger login issue? If you have any problem with your Messenger in the login part, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So the first thing you wanna do to fix the login, go to the settings, go to the apps, open the apps and wait a few seconds right here. It will start loading. Scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger right here. Click on it and then click on force stop to stop the app from running in the background of your phone. After that, go to the permissions. Make sure that every single permission here is enabled. Go back again, click on the storage, click on clear cache, clear data. After you do this, now all what you want to do is just go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Messenger and update it, and then restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.